Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroons for business using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need desiccated coconut, condensed milk, and a few other pantry staples. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This easy approach ensures delicious results every time, perfect for selling. Now let's get to the fun part, mixing. In a large bowl, combine your desiccated coconut and condensed milk. Stir until everything is well incorporated and sticky. You can also add a touch of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Once mixed, scoop the mixture into small, uniform portions. This consistency is key for perfectly shaped macaroons. Baking macaroons is straightforward. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures they cook evenly without burning. Carefully place your shaped macaroon mixture into mini muffin liners. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are beautifully golden brown. Keep an eye on them to achieve that perfect texture. Once baked, let your macaroons cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for them to set properly. For selling, package them in attractive, airtight containers to maintain freshness. You can offer them in packs of 6 or 12, providing great value for your customers. These easy-to-make treats are sure to be a hit for your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.